Okay, what can you show everybody what we're going to be doing? Okay. Show everybody what's on the box. Can I see the front of the box? So Benjamin found these grow your own gel balls. They're from the Dollar Tree. I got them for him and he's pretty excited. So we're going to do our very first experiment with Mr. Benjamin.
Yeah.
So, you got it open yet?
Yeah.
People are waiting.
You ready?
Oh, one of these went flying out of the bag. So what you're going to do is I put one in there. It says it fast grows. So let me open this up. All they are is they're like these little beads. And then you put them in water and they grow. A lot of people call them Orbeez or gel beads. I use these for my wedding. So let me open them and we'll see what we'll do next. Okay, so I open them and Benjamin's going to pour them. They all in there?
Yeah.
Okay, so now what we got to do is we're going to let them grow. So we'll show you guys in a little bit.
It's yellow.
Yeah, so we're going to show you in a little bit what they look like next.
Well, it's shaking.
It's shaking?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's let them grow. So this is what they look like about 3 minutes after we put them in. You can already see them kind of reaching up on the side of the bowl. They're getting a little bit fuzzier. It says fast growing, so I'm not sure how long it takes, but we're in about 3 minutes and so far
3 minutes.
3 minutes and they're looking good. Okay, so this is what it looks like about 10 minutes after. As you see, they're getting a little bit fuzzier. Ben's getting super excited. Ben, just stop for a second. So I'll show you guys what they're gonna look like in a couple more minutes. They say fast, but I don't know how fast this truly is. Okay, so these have been sitting here for 2 hours now. We fell asleep, took a nap, so Benjamin is super excited.
Oh, they're turning.
Yeah. Do you like them?
Yeah, it's yellow.
What colors are there?
One yellow and red and blue.
Yeah?
And they're purple.
So these are what they look like. I think this is definitely worth $1. It's a great thing to play with. If your kids say you want Orbeez, just get them.
I think Orbeez is jelly.
Yeah. If your kids say they want Orbeez, just get this stuff and they don't even notice the difference. In Orbeez, you pay for the brand for something that does the same exact thing. But yeah, they're just like little beads of gel, and then when you don't want to play with them anymore, you just let them dry out and then just add water and they'll grow all over again. So it repeats and repeats. So, are these cool?
Yeah.
Okay. So, can we say...
I need more.
Can you say thank you for watching my little experiment?
Really?
And if you want to see more, give this video a thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Can you say hi?
Hi.
So you're being silly, aren't you? Yes, you are. Say, okay, say goodbye, everybody.
Bye.
You're being shy. See you guys later.